The Assam government has proposed a major policy shift aimed at discouraging polygamy, linking it to government jobs and welfare benefits. The announcement was made while presenting the 2.85 lakh crore rupees budget for 2026-27 in the State Assembly. Finance Minister Jayanta Malla Barua said the proposal is part of the government's agenda to promote women's empowerment and gender justice. Under the proposed policy, men found practicing polygamy will not be eligible for notified state welfare schemes. The government has also proposed amendments to the Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964. If approved, government employees found practicing polygamy could face disciplinary action, including dismissal from service. The budget also proposes that persons convicted in criminal cases will be barred from notified government welfare schemes. Barua announced that the state would launch a new welfare package worth 6,000 crore rupees from August for various sections of society. Reacting to the proposal, senior Congress leader Ripun Bora said his party has never supported polygamy. However, he questioned the need for new restrictions, arguing that existing laws should be implemented effectively instead of introducing fresh conditions.